In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva website for affiliate marketing. If you find this video useful, be sure to like and subscribe, and let's get right into it. First, head over to the Canva homepage by typing in canva.com into your web browser. Canva is a visual suite designed for everyone, with tools that can empower you to create professional looking marketing content effortlessly. Once you're there, the next step is to log in. If you're already registered, simply click on login at the top right of the page and enter your credentials. If you're new to Canva, don't worry. Setting up an account is straightforward and only takes a moment. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Canva homepage. Here is where your journey begins. This page is your dashboard showing different templates, design suggestions, and a history of your previous projects. To create content specific to your affiliate marketing, you need to organize your designs efficiently. Click on projects located on the left side of the screen. This is a wonderful feature that allows you to manage and categorize your creations in one place. Next, choose the project you'd like to work on, or if you're just starting out, create a new one. Inside your project, you'll find a plethora of elements to aid your design. Click on Elements from the Design menu. Elements include shapes, lines, graphics, and more, allowing you to add flair and information to your designs. A tip here is to stay consistent with the elements you use, as consistency helps in establishing brand recognition. To drive your affiliate marketing efforts, it is crucial to craft clear call to action buttons within your designs. Whether you're asking users to sign up, read more, or purchase, these buttons guide your audience on what to do next and help convert views into actions. To find pre-designed buttons and prompts, simply use the search function. For example, typing in Shop Now can yield customizable buttons that you can drag and drop into your design. These buttons are not only eye-catching but also effective in prompting action when used strategically. To wrap up, Canva's interface is user-friendly and packed with features that can boost your affiliate marketing strategy. From setting up compelling projects to mastering elements and call-to-action cues, each step is designed to enhance your visibility and drive engagement. Explore these features and make them work for you. That's all for today on using Canva for affiliate marketing. We hope you find these tips helpful in elevating your marketing game. Thanks for watching and happy designing.